Hi, in this video we're going to show you a tool you could use to search for files and also search within files. So it's called MightyGrep. So you might have heard of the grep command commonly used in Linux to search for files and within files and regular expressions and all that good stuff. Alright, so this, you just download the zip file, extract it, and it's just an executable that you run, so there's nothing to install. So up at the top here you have your sources, which is your path you're going to search, your filters, and then your pattern, and the pattern is used to search within files. So when it comes to searching within files, you can only use this for things like text files and other binary type files. Similar to text files, it's not going to search within your Word documents or PDF files. And then over here we have the option to search subfolders, regular expressions, if you want it to be case sensitive, do an exact match, and then the incremental box is used to kind of give you results as you type here. Alright, so right now I'm in the Documents folder, and I'm going to look for anything that is a text file, so star.txt, and it's also going to search subfolders. So I need to set this to file name, and you can see the binary goes gray because we're searching by file name there. Then you could also set the minimum and maximum file size, and then create, modified, and access dates. And here you have the option to show name, show relative, and show full. Alright, so let's just do a search here. Alright, so here are our results here for the text files within this directory. Then if we change it to show relative, you can see this file is in a subfolder of this directory. That's why there's a slash there. And then the full path if you want to see the full path. I can do the same thing for Word documents, let's say. So you can see here are all of our Word documents, and then you can change the options here to name if you just want to see the name. Okay, so if you want to search for a specific name, so let's say we want to see everything that's sales, you can't just type in sales like this. It's not going to find anything, so you got to do star sales star, so put an asterisk in the front and the back of it here. So those are our sales files. Now let's change this to confidential and do the folder search. So if we search for files, nothing with confidential, but if we change this to folder name, oops, I guess I got to spell it right. All right, let's try that again. All right, so there's our one folder that has the word confidential in it. All right, so now let's try searching within files here. So let's say we're going to search in our text file, star.txt. All right, so now we have to change this to contents. So you can see it was grayed out until you change it. So let's look for the word folder. And you can see as we type there, it searches the text files. And you can see this file here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instances of the word folder in it. And this one has folders, but it shows you folder, and this one has folder in this path here. And this one's capital, this one's capital, so we change this here to case sensitive. You can see those two go away because they had a capital. And if we change this to a capital F, you can see now they're back. And if we take this off, we see everything. And of course, you could also do it for exact. And that gets rid of the one with the S at the end because now we're only searching for the word folder and not folders. All right, then up here you have some bookmarks you could create, history of your searches, and there is a nice manual here if you want to see some information about how everything works. So, and yes, command line options if you want to see those. Just like that. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty useful tool, and if you're used to using the grep command in Linux, you might like this, especially the command line stuff. So like I said, the demo is free. It's $10 to buy if you want to buy it. I'm not sure exactly how long the demo is good for or if it's optional to buy it, so you'll have to check on the website. But I'll put a link in the description where you can download MightyGrep and then you can check it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.